Welcome to the shadows of the mind. Most people live like sheep. They follow the herd, they fear the dark. But you are here for something else. You are here to learn the art of the wolf. You are here to master the mind of Machiavelli. Confidence is not a feeling. Confidence is a strategic advantage. It is the weapon of the predator. Let's break the code. 300 lines of pure power. 6 behaviors to change your life. Behavior number 1, the power of presence. A wolf doesn't need to bark to be noticed. Watch how a leader enters a room. They don't rush, they don't fidget. They own the air around them. Machiavelli said, "Appearances are everything." Everyone sees what you appear to be. Few experience who you really are. This is your first tool, controlled movement. Slow down your walk, slow down your speech. When you move slowly, you signal safety. Only the prey is in a hurry. The predator has all the time in the world. Stand tall, like the spine of the pack leader. Your posture is your billboard. It tells the world if you are a victim or a victor. Keep your chin level with the horizon. Look people in the eye without flinching. This is the apex gaze. It's not about aggression, it's about unshakable certainty. Behavior number 2, the strategy of silence. The loudest person in the room is the weakest. Why? Because they are seeking validation. The wolf is comfortable in the quiet. Silence is a vacuum. People hate vacuums. They will fill it with their own secrets. Machiavelli taught us to be the fox and the lion. Use silence to observe. Listen more than you speak. When you do speak, make it count. Short sentences, clear points, no ums or ahs. Let your words have weight, like a heavy stone dropped in a pond. Watch the ripples. Silence creates mystery. Mystery creates curiosity. Curiosity creates attraction. If they can't figure you out, they can't control you. That is true Machiavellian power. Behavior number 3, emotional armor. A wolf doesn't take things personally. If a rival snarls, the wolf assesses. It doesn't cry. It doesn't vent on social media. Most people are slaves to their emotions. Someone insults them and they crumble. Someone praises them and they get lazy. You must be different. Build a wall between your feelings and your actions. Machiavelli said, "It is better to be feared than loved." Why? Because love is volatile. Fear is a constant. In modern terms, respect is better than being liked. Don't be a nice guy. Be a good man, but a dangerous one. A wolf is dangerous, yet it protects its own. Control your temper. Anger is a leak in your power. When you get angry, you become predictable. Stay cold, stay calculated. Let them wonder what you're thinking. Behavior number 4, the law of association. A lone wolf is a myth. The strongest wolves have the strongest packs. Look at your circle. Are they sheep or are they hunters? Machiavelli knew the importance of advisors. He said a prince should always seek counsel, but only from those he trusts. Confidence comes from your environment. If you run with losers, you will lose. If you run with giants, you will grow. Audit your friends today. Who drains your energy? Who builds your vision? Cut the dead weight. A wolf doesn't keep a sick deer in the pack. Harsh? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Surround yourself with excellence. Their confidence will rub off on you. Their habits will become yours. Their victories will inspire your own. Behavior number 5, calculated risk. Confidence is a muscle. It grows when it's tested. You cannot sit in your room and become an alpha. You have to enter the arena. Machiavelli believed in virtù, the ability to shape your own destiny, through action, through boldness, through grit. Take the risk you are afraid of. Speak up in that meeting. Start that business. Ask that person out. Even if you fail, you win, because you proved to yourself that you survived. The wolf fails to catch the elk many times. Does it stop? No, it learns the terrain, it sharpens its senses. Failure is just data. Use it to recalibrate. Fortune favors the brave, not the comfortable. Behavior number 6, mastery of self. This is the foundation. The wolf knows its strength, it knows its bite, it knows its limits. Machiavelli's The Prince is about self-reliance. Don't depend on luck. Don't depend on others. Depend on your skills. Build a body you are proud of. Build a mind that is sharp. Read books that challenge you. Work out until you want to quit. Then do 10 more reps. Discipline is the highest form of self-love. When you have discipline, you have confidence, because you know you can trust yourself. You know you will show up. You know you won't back down. That internal trust is the alpha spark. It radiates from you. People can feel it when you walk by. It's not arrogance, it's competence. Arrogance is pretending you are big. Confidence is knowing you are capable. Let's recap the journey. 6 steps to the throne. First, own your space. Second, master your silence. Third, guard your emotions. Fourth, choose your pack. Fifth, embrace the risk. Sixth, master yourself. This isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle. It's a transformation. Most people will read this and forget it. They will go back to being sheep. They will go back to complaining. But not you. You felt something stir inside. That is the wolf waking up. That is the strategist sharpening his blade. The world is waiting to be led. It is waiting for someone with vision. It is waiting for someone with balls. Machiavelli said, "The lion cannot protect himself from traps, and the fox cannot protect himself from wolves. One must therefore be a fox to recognize traps, and a lion to frighten wolves. Be both. Be smart enough to see the game. Be strong enough to play it. Confidence is the currency of the world. Without it, you are broke. With it, you own the bank. Think about the people you admire. They aren't perfect. They are just bold. They decided they were worthy, and the world agreed. You have to make that decision today. Stop asking for permission. Stop saying sorry for existing. Stand up straight. Breathe deep. Feel the power in your lungs. You are a biological masterpiece, millions of years of evolution. Your ancestors survived wars. They survived famines. They survived predators. You have their DNA. You have the heart of a survivor. Don't waste it on insecurity. Don't waste it on doubt. Doubt is a poison. Action is the antidote. If you feel nervous, move. If you feel scared, act. The wolf doesn't think about the hunt. It just hunts. Overthinking is for the weak. Instinct is for the strong. Trust your gut. It's been training for a long time. Machiavelli knew that power is taken. It is never given. You have to take your place. No one is going to hand you a crown. You have to build it, stone by stone, behavior by behavior. Start with your morning. Don't hit snooze. A wolf is ready at dawn. Win the first hour. Win the day. Dress like you matter. Clean your environment. Order creates clarity. Chaos creates anxiety. Be the architect of your life, not just a tenant. Remember the fox. Observe the micro-expressions. Learn to read people. What are they not saying? What does their body tell you? This knowledge is your shield. Remember the lion. When it's time to act, act decisively. No half measures. Machiavelli hated half measures. He said they lead to ruin. If you do something, do it fully. Give it 100%, or don't do it at all. This intensity is magnetic. People are drawn to purpose. They are drawn to fire. Be the fire, not the one who gets burned. Let's look at the psychology of the alpha. It's not about bullying. Bullying is for the insecure. A true alpha provides value. A true alpha leads the pack to food. Be a person of value. Be someone people can rely on. That is where real confidence lives. It lives in your utility. Can you solve the problem? Can you stay calm in the storm? If the answer is yes, you are a leader. The wolf doesn't fear the winter. It has fur. It has a pack. It has a plan. Build your fur. Build your skills. Build your resilience. We are nearing the end of the 300, but it's just the beginning for you. Take these 6 behaviors, write them down, post them on your wall, live them every day. Watch how the world changes. Watch how people look at you. They will see the difference. They will see the wolf. They will see the prince. They will see the new you. Don't look back. The past is for the dead. The future is for the hungry. Are you hungry? Are you ready to eat? The hunt is on. The rules are set. The power is yours. Now go out there. Walk with purpose. Speak with power. Live like a legend. This is your time.